Hello everyone, welcome again to another episode of latest news and detailed information about cars brought to you by Quick Fix Auto Services. This Jeep came to the workshop with suspension noise and the owner had just replaced arm bushes, steering rack, drive shafts, among others, but the problem still persistent even after visiting various workshops. So today we are going to show you why you should never unpress Jeep Grand Cherokee suspension bushes. On various occasions, Jeep customers have complained of persistent noise coming from suspension even after replacing the Jeep arm bushes. Some even goes as far as replacing drive shafts and steering rack, only to realize the problem hasn't been resolved. Since it's a situation we've handled before, we advised the customer to just replace the old arms with new ones instead of press arm bushes. Once replaced, the noise disappeared. The customer had visited various repair shops for the same problem, but they couldn't identify the problem because they assumed the pressed bushes are new and hence not culprit. So next time, if you have a problem with the Jeep suspension noise, avoid unnecessary cost and just replace the arms instead of pressing the bushes, and you'll thank me later. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again in another episode of Quick Fix latest news and detailed information about cars.
Nikajua pia Rijakoya.